I'll just have to burn the paper. Watch. So we have here, what do we have here? It's a pearl necklace. So watch this. Out of paper, by using magic, we have a pearl necklace, right? What I learned, this is a very hard skill. You have to make a knot. Make a knot using one hand. Whoa! You see the knot? It's using one hand, okay? Using one hand. That's very hard. I practiced that for how many years? Oh, there's the knot right here. Okay? Now, can you please hold the other end? Here. And everybody say magic. When you pull this out, hold the pearl. I will pull the necklace right here. Oh. And you have a bracelet. Wow, it's a partner. It's on that one. You have a bracelet right here. That's a real pearl. South Sea, see? That's real. Alright, so get together. I'm going to make another knot using my left hand again. This is much harder. But left hand. Watch. Oh! I was still able to do it kahit mahirap. Okay? There's the knot. Oh! There's the knot right there. Mahirap talaga pag left hand eh. Sobrang hirap na left hand. Alright? Here's the knot. You hold it with your other hand. Now you say magic. Magic! Hold it. Oh, now we have a ring. Thank you. Everybody clap your hands. Now we have a complete set. A pearl necklace, a bracelet necklace, and a ring. Palakpakan naman natin. Where's your mom? You want to bring this home? 25,000 lang po. Charot. Charot lang. Alright, sit down. Alright, for my next